Hey guys, Sanampua from AcuTCM School. I want to talk about balance method acupuncture and how you could practice in a new way. We know acupuncture 1, 2, 3, right? It's based on balancing 6 meridians. Apart from balancing 6 meridian, we know we can do more. So why do we want to do more in distal acupuncture technique? If you practice balance method acupuncture for a long time, and then because I practice balance method acupuncture, but I actually practice it in a new way. And let me share with you, you may have the experience like this, you put acupuncture needle in, you do acupuncture 1, 2, 3, go through acupuncture 1, 2, 3, then you find out that, sometimes needle out and the pain return. The patient say, I have the pain again, or the result doesn't last long, So one of the reason in here is because we actually didn't take care of the structure imbalance. Agree or not? We only take care of 6 meridians, only take care of meridian balance, but no structure balance. So this is the chance for you to learn how to take care of structure imbalance and increase increase the results. To get the lasting results, increase the lasting results, the period time of lasting results. Okay, for example, let me show you this, and then we simplify from acupuncture 1 to 2 rather than acupuncture 1 to 3. Okay, so this is what happened. You see that patient, I'm gonna lay down flat, and this leg going outward, this leg coming inward. You see a lot of people have this problem. This is structure imbalance. What happened is we only needle the yang meridian on that side, on that leg, not on that leg at all. Okay, and once you needle here, you not only balance the meridian, you also balance the structure, and you needle in meridian over here, of course. Then what happened by doing this? You balance the meridian, you balance the structure, and guess what? The result will be fantastic. You will fix the problem of short relief. If you take out a needle and the patient no longer say, the pain come back again, and the pain won't be just lasting for 1 or 2 hours, it'll definitely longer. For those patients, they say, just 1 or 2 hours and the pain come back again. And by doing this, it lasts even longer. Could be 8 hours, 24 hours, or most of our patients that last for 24 hours or for 48 hours. This is what I mean, the new way to practice balance method acupuncture. So this is just simple way. Let me talk about more. So how do we simplify it? Acupuncture 1, 2, 3, right? Normally, you find out the 6 meridian if there's a neck pain. Okay, and then you can go to acupuncture 2, which is bladder meridian, small intestine meridian, and kidney meridian, lung meridian, right? And then a lot of time you start on acupuncture 2 because you don't know which one to choose. When you add on this, yin and yang, where the needle, the structure as well, treat the structure as well. You just neck pain, you don't need to know about the meridian. And acupuncture 2, 3, no acupuncture 2 anymore. Acupuncture 3, go to the outside of the leg and get the access point near it. That's it. And I guarantee it balance the sixth meridian as well as the structure. So my workshop's coming up in August in Malaysia, in New Zealand in September. So contact us. The details down this video, below this, on YouTube, on Facebook as well. Okay, so sign up now because it's coming soon. I'll see you next time. I'll see you in Malaysia or in New Zealand. Stay awesome.